Looking to send or receive money internationally with Wise? I'll walk you through how to set up your account step by step. Start by opening your browser and visiting wise.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Get Started. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or enter an email manually. I'll go with email for this example. After entering your email, click Next and select whether you want a personal or business account. If you're just sending or receiving money for yourself, choose Personal. Now select your country of residence. This must match your ID exactly, as Wise will need to verify it later. Next, create a strong password and complete two-factor authentication if prompted. Once you're in your account dashboard, you'll see options to send, receive, or convert money. But first, let's open a currency balance. Go to the Home tab and click Open a Balance. Choose the currency you'd like to use, for example, USD or EUR, and confirm. Now you'll see your currency account details like IBAN, SWIFT, and account number. Before you can use them, you need to add and verify your bank account. To do that, go to Settings, then Connected Accounts, and tap Add a Bank Account. With your account verified, you can now send money. Just go to Send, enter an amount, select your recipient, and choose your payment method. But depending on your bank and location, it might take a few days. And that's it. You're now ready to use Wise to send and receive money globally with low fees and great exchange rates. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you don't miss more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.